Next is question number 8. Seema sells X biscuits and Y cakes. Part A first is she sells at least 100 biscuits. Write down an inequality in X. At least 100 biscuits. X is greater than or equal to 100. Part 2. She sells at least 120 cakes. Write down an inequality in Y. At least 120 cakes. Y is greater than or equal to 120. Part 3. She sells a maximum of 300 biscuits and cakes altogether. Write down an inequality in X and Y. X plus Y less than or equal to 300. Part 4. Seema makes a profit of 40 cents on each biscuit and 80 cents on each cake. Her total profit is at least $160. Show that X plus 2Y is greater than or equal to 400. 40 cents on each biscuit, 40x, and 80 cents on each cake plus 80y. Her total profit is at least $160. So we will convert it into cent by multiplying it with 100. 40x plus 80y is greater than or equal to 16,000. We have to show that x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 400. Dividing this inequality with 40, we will get x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 400. Hence proved. Part B. On the grid, draw 4 lines to show the 4 inequalities and shade the unwanted regions. First inequality is x is greater than or equal to 100. Equation for this is x is equal to 100. And its line will be a straight vertical line passing through 100. And x is greater than or equal to 100, so unwanted region is on this side of this line. The next inequality is y is greater than or equal to 120. Equation for this is y equals 120. This will be a straight horizontal line passing through 120. And y is greater than or equal to 120, so unwanted region is below this line. Next inequality is x plus y is less than or equal to 300. X plus y is less than or equal to 300. Equation for this in standard form will be y equals minus x plus 300. Y intercept is 300 and its gradient is -1. So if I take it 100 units down, then it will be 100 units right. It will be passing through this point. This is a line passing through these 2 points. And x plus y is less than or equal to 300. So unwanted region is above this line. The next inequality is x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 400. Equation will be 2y is equal to minus x plus 400, and in standard form y is minus 1 over 2x plus 200. Y intercept is 200 and gradient is minus 1 over 2. 1 unit down and 2 units right. This is a line passing through these 2 points. And x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 400, so unwanted region is below this line. It's part C. Calculate Seema's maximum profit. Give your answer in dollars. Maximum profit will be at this point, which is 100 200, and equation is 40x plus 80y is greater than or equal to 16,000. 40x plus 80y is greater than or equal to 16,000. This is in cent. We will convert it into dollars. Then it will be 0.4x plus 0.8y is greater than or equal to 160. So solution will be 0.4 into x is 100 plus 0.8 into y is 200. 0.4 times 100 plus 0.8 times 200, which is 200. So maximum profit is $200.